Hey guys, thank you for taking time to view this project that I'm going to present to you guys. I went ahead, this is a cleaning exercise on SQL, and I'm using my SQL workbench. Basically, I'm starting off with removing duplicates. So I always start off with my table, just to view my table to see what it is. Oh wait, I am actually not using my table, so let's go here. So just to see what we have, and it is a little bit different because I already performed most of these. So I ended up using the duplicate CTE function to basically create a sort of unique identifier row that identifies uh, each row to see if it has uh, any duplicates pretty much. So each row that is unique will have a one, and when it isn't unique, it should have a zero. When it isn't, when it's duplicate, it should be greater than one. So we have here our select from our duplicate CTE, where row number is equal to one, and so anything equal to two from here, we can go ahead and execute that. We had a few that equal to two, and then there are a lot of ways to get rid of that too. So you can you can really just export the entire thing and then just uh, if you want to do it on Excel, if you know you're going to do your visuals on Excel, you can export the entire thing and um, just sort the row number row and delete them all. And it makes more sense to delete the ones with percentage laid off and total laid off because if we can find out the percentage laid off, um, if we have the percentage laid off, then there's a decent likelihood that we can find out the amount laid off. Um, so yeah. Um, So like if we know the amount of people, the amount of employees, and we have the percentage laid off, we can easily find this. Um, Same with this number, but if we have both of them, then it makes sense. And then also right here, we had a few um, layoffs where uh, company was equal to Casper. And I believe in this situation, Casper was, let's go ahead and execute that. Okay, I believe we fixed it. So we had a few where Casper, okay, these are the two actually. This one and this one. You can see the dates are the same, funds are the same. So that was one that needed to be deleted. So we had two Casper tables and we only needed one here. You can see the consistency. Um, and then we also created another table to so that way we can something we can work with without uh, tempering with the integrity of the first table. So we create another one, layoff staging two, and we can see that right here. Everything is consistent with the initial table, which if we uploaded it initially, we would see that date needs to actually be date and not um, text. So that is another thing. And then right here, just to finish up, row number. Okay, I think we did the same thing right here in terms of so we already did that up top. So oops. So sorry. Okay, and then this. Let's go to standardizing our data, which is basically maintaining consistencies and um, we had a couple of so like for example Cincinnati, maybe there's like a space in between there, or there's an underscore right after it, or there's a period here. So I'm just gonna go through a few of them. So like crypto, we had cryptocurrency, we had cryptos, I think, with an S, and then we had maybe crypto blockchain technology, something along those lines. So we I said we. I ended up updating crypto. So we set industry where industry is equal to crypto, and we set it to crypto, and then when it was equal to, or when it was like crypto and like anything after it. So it could have been cryptocurrency, it could have been crypto um, monies, whatever the case may be. So um, did that, and I think we had the same thing with. Let me see. We had the same thing with the United States. There was United States with a period after it. There was United States of America, all that stuff. So we ended up doing that. Same thing with date. We had to do the string to date, um, and then we did the date, and we wanted it in month, date, day, and year format. So, and then here's the update, and the list goes on. So then we move to removing duplicates, and the problem with this is that some some nulls. I'm sorry, removing nulls. Some of the null values were blank, so we actually had to. I believe I did it somewhere here. Yeah, so I needed to set where I think it was an update. Yeah, update table, and we needed to set industry equal to null where industry was equal to just pretty much blank. So just a blank space. Um, so we did that, and then we ended up joining both tables. Um, for to answer specific business questions. And I believe we did that also for ball, and we went ahead and I think we updated all of those. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching my presentation. Um, Greatly appreciate you, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Have a nice day.